Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to repost a reel on Instagram story. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your phone, then you have to log into your account and choose the reel that you want to post to your story. And I'll just go with this reel. And if we want to share this reel to our story, we have to click on this share button. And choose add to story right here. And wait for a moment, guys. Alright, if we want to share this reel to our story, we can simply click this button. And wait for a moment, guys. And let's check it to our story. Okay, this is the reel that I have just reposted to my story, and it's still loading, guys. You have to wait until it has been posted to your story. Okay guys, that's how we can repost a reel to our Instagram story. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.